This capability showcase illustrates how HM Cragg's Integrated Power Systems and Services team created a complete, custom solution for the installation of a modular, DIN rail-mounted DC rectifier power system and battery backup into a NEMA Type 4 wall-mounted enclosure for use with a telecommunications provider. Our team partnered with our customer to design a solution around DC power equipment, which was specified and supplied by our customer. This custom enclosed system features all input and output accommodations, including input terminal blocks for easy on-site termination, circuit breaker distribution for all power devices within the system, and output circuit protection. The enclosure was designed for NEMA Type 4 environments, offering protection against dirt, dust, hose down, and splash for an outdoor installation. Enclosure features include a custom power panel and battery tray with tie-down provisions, compact enclosure design, welded mounting tabs for wall or pole installation, light gray RAL 7035 powder coat finish, and formed-in-place foam gasket seals. This system utilizes a G4 Plus rated filter fan system with NEMA Type 4 rain hoods to ensure adequate airflow for the electronics within the enclosure, while ensuring that water cannot enter the enclosure. The DC power system was then started up using manufacturer-required procedures and tested to ensure full functionality of the entire integrated system. This is another example of a custom solution HM Cragg's Integrated Power Systems and Services team can create for you. If you run into a backup power challenge that requires unique retrofitting, kitting, assembly, or modification, we are the right people to call to create a timely, cost-effective solution. Please contact us today for more information about how we can help you by creating a customized solution for your application.